gosh. It's starting to rain outside. I'm at Clucker's house. Oh, I just gotta go inside. I just gotta go inside. Ugh. Wolf pitches. Ugh. Oh gosh. I got. Oh yeah, I need to go. Wish I hide safely. Oh gosh. My pictures are arcane. Sorry. So I'm sorry. Oh, hi Pig. How you doing? Wait, are you just right here? Or you're just outside? Hey, come here, Pig. You need to come in. You know, you're looking all messy. You need to take this back. Come on, bro. I filmed my whole entire thing with a bunch of pigs. What is going on right now? Like, I filmed this thing with a bunch of pigs. Did I literally just film this with a bunch of pigs? Like, I want to play Slippery. Oh yeah, trying to go to this room and... Oops, sorry, that is the wrong room. Gotta find a room that's fitting me enough to sleep. Oh, there we go. Now I got to go up here. Oh, I gotta go to sleep. Cause it's raining outside. What am I doing now? Like, I'm so tired. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. I just wanted to go to sleep. Ugh. Ugh, I'm so tired. Ugh. Ugh. I wanted to ask you please, guys. Oh gosh. You shouldn't know something. I think I should do like, oh my gosh. No, I broke my wallet. That's okay. Oh, I should get a window. Boom. I got a window. Sure. Ay! Oh gosh. Here's another window. I can't believe it's raining today. Turner is really trying to sleep in his own room. And I got food out of a whole bunch of pumpkins. You know, I'm going to sleep. God, I have fun with you, Simon. You sound cool, but I gotta lay down. It's absolutely rain outside. I wonder who it's at. Huh? Where's my bag? Well, it's okay. Like gray blood. And now this brain bad. Oh, I gotta go sleep. So I guess going to wake up Turner. To this. Hey Turner, how are you? Turner, Sky, I'm trying to go to sleep. Leave me alone. It's storming outside. Wakey, eggs and bacon. Oh, fine. Let's just do it eating, I guess. We need an underground bunker to do it. Come on, go to my house. We're in creative mode. Let's go to my house faster. But, oh gosh, we need to go to my house. Turner, quick! Sky, what are those? My pets. Oh, your pets. And what is the secret entrance? And what are these? Yeah, full of lights. Whoa, those are so cool. Wait, Turner, are you talking in Simon's voice? No. Come on, move away. Wait a minute, why is there pigs? Because pigs are really awesome. Ow. to make your pets go sleepy asleep. You know, Tanner, let's make more room for the underground bunker. First, we need to build this. First, we need to place. To build an underground bunker, we need a. Oh my gosh. We need to get a sticky piston. I need to get too many of them. And some wood. Some wood? Wait a minute, you should get some wood. Oh my gosh, Tanner, this is about to be so great. We're not getting out for this thing. We are not getting out of this. We are not getting out of this. Dude, Hunter, shut the Anyways, the redstone is done. So we need a lever. A lever? Levers don't go in here. But there's one. Ugh. Hey yo, Tanner, what's going on? Hello, you know. It's about to be so great. Oh, you know, gosh, I need to click in. Yes. Close it. Close it all the way. There we go. Gosh, do you know what it means to continue with that? You didn't know that. It's about to be so awesome. Oh, I can't wait to give Sky these diamonds. Oh gosh. Now I gotta talk to Sky. Go talk to him. Oh my gosh. Hey, hey. Wait, please. Alright, maybe I should be delivered. Her score. Huh? Simon, what are you doing here? Oh, I was wondering if you built this. That's it. Underground. That's an underground bunker, you mother.